So how did you bake it?
Okay yan.
It's gonna fall. You haven't tasted the fillings yet. So actually you have to try it
How
too.
did you bake it? Okay lang?
Okay lang to, mami. Okay lang to.
Si Mami Grace ba yon?
Naman din.
Si Mami Grace Felix Tan yun, yung okay na to. Masarap. Baka masinghot mo kami.
Don't eat all of it, ah. Hindi pa siya
So happy ka sa bake?
Apa. Ako yung nabit dito.
Yeah ba?
Lagay ako.
Anong pangalan yan?
Ha?
Anong pangalan? Empanada.
Ouch! That hurt.
Wala pang 5 minutes.
You don't know how hard it is. It hurt me, mommy.
Yan. 50 pesos lang pa.
Ang mahal naman.
Bakit? Ito ba
It's so
lamig to?
familiar, but I can't
Ako ba lang
remember.
yan? Sorry.
Bye.